Hi viewers, first of all, thank you very much for choosing my video to watch your favorite recipe. Today is going to be a treat for all the cheese lovers. Yes, I'm going to share with you an addictive cheesy snack recipe, paneer corn cheese balls. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy the real cheese burst experience with this delectable recipe. Now say cheese and start watching it. For making paneer corn cheese balls, the first step is take a pan and add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Let the oil get heated. Once the oil gets heated, add 50 grams of garlic and saute it on a low flame. To this add 3 red chilies and saute them till the garlic turns light brown in color. To this add 1 tablespoon of chopped green chilies and grind them without adding water and keep aside. Now take a mixing bowl and add 250 grams of grated paneer, and to this add 150 grams of boiled and mashed potatoes and 100 grams of boiled sweet corn kernels, and add grated processed cheese. I've taken 4 cubes, which is about 80 grams, and add the roasted and ground chili garlic which we had ground it, and add Italian seasoning 1 tablespoon and salt, the required amount of salt. Mix well, cover it and refrigerate it for about 30 minutes. Now take unflavored cornflakes 100 grams. Now crush and pound them to a coarse powder using a mortar and pestle. I am using mortar and pestle because I want the texture to be coarse and not the complete powder like texture. So I want a coarse powder, so I am using mortar and pestle. The texture should be like this, not so powdery. It should be like granules. Now toast 4 white bread slices and pulse them in a mixer to a coarse powder. Don't grind them but pulse them. Now take another bowl and add 2 tablespoons of maida and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add some salt and add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Mix well and add water gradually and whisk well without lumps. Add water very slowly. Now you can see the batter consistency is very thin. Now grease your palms with oil and flatten the paneer mixture. Now if the dough has more moisture, you can add 1 or 2 teaspoons of maida and you can thicken it. Fill it with diced mozzarella cheese. This is the ready-made diced mozzarella cheese I am using. And make medium-sized ball. Stuff it well inside. See that there are no cracks while making the balls. Now dip the ball into the maida batter, the thin maida batter which we had made, and roll it over the bread crumbs. See that the ball is rolled properly and covered properly with breadcrumbs. Now again dip it into the maida batter. We are going to give a double coating for this. And again roll it over the corn crumbs. See that they are coated well. Do the same way with the rest of the dough and freeze the balls for 1 hour. Don't freeze it for more than 1 hour. Now take a kadai and add oil to it for deep frying and start frying the balls on a medium flame. Don't fry them on a high flame and never thaw the balls. They should be fried immediately once you take them out from the freezer. Now the cheese balls have been fried perfectly. Now you can drain them in an absorbent paper and you can serve immediately. Now you can see the texture. It's crunchy outside and soft inside. And you can also see the molten mozzarella which just oozes out. And now a yummy paneer corn cheese balls you can enjoy with tomato sauce or honey garlic sauce. If you like my video, please hit a like, share and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get the updates of my new videos. And please do follow Cook with Sanakuram at my Instagram page and at my Facebook page. Thank you all very much.